Good morning, everyone. We are going to learn about the last part of the uni of matter. And today is Wednesday, 13th of May, 2020, and we are going to study about changes in matter. There are two types of changes: physical changes and chemical changes. So, when we have a physical change, the molecules of the matter, move about, but their structure doesn't change. Okay? If you fold a paper, for example, here, if you fold a paper, you have the same molecules, they don't change. When you freeze a yogurt, it's still yogurt. Or when you heat the milk, it's still the milk. Or when you fly a kite made of nylon, it's the same. It's a kite. It doesn't change the molecules. But when we have a chemical change, everything change forever because it's going to be a new matter. It's going to change. And for example, if you burn the paper, it's not going to be paper anymore. It's going to be ashes or fire. Okay? Some examples: when we have a chemical change, we have new molecules that are made, and the matter is going to be different forever. For example, when an apple rots, or the iron rusts, or when or when the wood burns, it's different. And when the milk ferments, for example, we can ferment the milk and create yogurt or cheese. So it's going to be different forever.
So, some examples of the physical changes, as you can see, are the paper, when you fold a paper or you cut it. For example, I have here a paper. I can fold the paper, or I can cut the paper or make small pieces, but the molecules are still the same. It's paper, okay? Another example, when you freeze the yogurt, for example, is still yogurt. Or a kite made of nylon, if you fly a kite, it's a kite. It doesn't change the matter. Or when you heat the milk change the temperature. Now it's hot, but it's still milk. You don't change the matter. But let's see what is a chemical change. For example, you have here an apple. Okay, when an apple rots, the new molecules form and make a different. When iron rusts, this is the iron when it rusts, the new molecules form and make different matter. And for example, when the wood burns, you are burning the wood, the new molecules form and make different matter. Maybe here, the new matter is the ashes. And when the milk ferments, new molecules form and make a different matter. When you ferment the milk, you can have cheese or butter or cream. And it's not milk anymore. It's new molecules. There are new molecules. So, remember, this was a physical change. I have changed the form, but it's still paper. It's the same molecules. There are the same molecules. But I have here, I'm going to do a chemical change. So I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to burn. Don't do this at home, please. This is only an experiment for you to see that is going to be a chemical change. This is only experiment. Don't do this. Okay, so look, it's not paper anymore. It's different. There are new molecules. These are ashes. Okay, So it's a chemical change because the molecules have changed. There are new molecules. No paper anymore. Okay? So let's go to do an activity in Google Classroom. And if you have doubts, please ask me and I help you. Bye bye.